I okay, I hear you. Okay, okay. Let me share my screen. Give me a second.
Okay.
Không cho con nghe đây. Cho con nghe
Okay,
đi
could you see
ba.
my screen, Doug?
Yes,
All
I
right.
can see your screen now.
Okay. Okay. Let me see. Uh, okay. Let's review today the career data import on Dev and Station and Pro, and tomorrow we will review the round deck job. Okay.
Okay.
Do you already read about the collaborator? No.
The document you sent me this morning.
Yes, this one exactly. Is
Um,
right now is
I have
very
review.
Ba cho con nghe đi.
yes. This one, how to download file and run the script for the career data. Okay. Rama asked to refresh the career data on station and depth. So we will do now on depth. On depth and station is more or less the same step. But right now I will show you how to do that on depth. For depth environment, we need to do it. We need to run it on depth Vienna 01. Okay. On this instance
Okay.
is where we will run this script to do the script export data. It's just a script that read some a text file with a lot of information,
Con có mà ba.
and this do the export to
Đắt lên chúng mấy con à.
a MySQL export query to the RDS on depth. So yeah, what is the thing that we are doing is just importing data to the database. We are importing the new data for the new career data. Is very easy. So I am
Okay.
really logging to the depth Vienna, depth Vienna 01. Okay, I already logging. It's quite
Okay.
easy. All right. So, okay, here is the instruction. For depth, go to depth Vienna. And for staging, it's not a staging job. I forget to change here. For staging, we need to use the clone. This instance is a clone of the job server, okay? And it's stopped because we are only using this instance, this clone, for to running the career data. So right now that we need to export the career data on a station as well, you must click on this instant and start again because it's the clone
Okay.
of the job server. So we will start this one and let's start the job on that Vienna. Okay, sudo su make logis 9 and go to the this folder. It's quite easy. If you follow exactly all these steps, it will work. So right now I will show you and I will try to explain the logic of everything. Okay, this is the script that I did time ago to download the data. It's just a script that it will list the file that is on the Sapphire Watch. It's a FTP server. So here the user and the password and the host, and it will list the new file, and it will download the file that we need to export. So everything to
And the
download.
FTP server. Sorry, Maro. The FTP server is in Amazon.
No,
also?
no. It's a FTP server that is owned by the company Sapphire Watch. It's not a server from our company. It's another server.
Okay. Okay.
It's for
Okay.
another company. I don't know who, but it's another company. Okay. So Rama asked for to export the career data for the last file. So what we need to do now, we will run the script, and list dash L is for list. It will list all the file that is inside that FTP server. So I will list all the file in 2019 and September. For example, this is an example. Okay, I will run this command. Download Surferwatch list, show me all the file from the year 2018, 19 and September. So it's connecting to the server, and we don't have anything because maybe we are on the 2020. So I will list 2020. 2020. Okay. Okay. So here is all the data. So let me see. Which is the last one? The last one is easy summary. Okay. Let me ask Rama, because we have, this is the last for easy summary, right?
Yes.
Always is 3 file. This one is the last for easy summary. Easy summary, this is the last updated file, right? Okay, and then go easy summary change, easy summary all, and this is the last for the easy summary all. Okay, this is the another one. And look the size of this file. Let me show you. No, I can. Okay, it's the same. This is summary all, and then the another one is the broker summary. This is the last one, February 18. Okay, so this is the 3 file. Let me share with Rama this one. No, this one. Rama. Okay, take a look the size. This is 14 megabytes. And now let's download everything. So to download, okay, here we list what we have on the server, which is the last step. So right now we will download that file. Let me see, we don't need easy summary. Okay, so we will download only broker summary and easy summary all. Exactly. So right now we will download. To download, we need to use the command. What is the? We need to do the command -d to download. It's very easy. Okay, let's run the script with the argument d to download, and let's choose this one. No, what was that? No, the all. This one, copy paste, run. Right now it's download the file. It will download the file. So, and the another one was, let me see what Rama say we need on. Okay, and the another one is the broker summary. Okay, let's run again the command with the broker summary. I am recording this call, so also you will take a look. And this is the last. This is the last one. Okay. So it's done. And now we need to run the script. The script is we already download. Go. Also, if you want to check if the file was correctly downloaded, list this folder, Surferwatch file. So let me the command to see on megabyte because it's more easy to see the site. Okay. For example, broker summary is very small, only 400 kilobyte. So the export, it will take no more than 1 or 2 minutes because it's very small. And the another one is a summary, also is 114 it will take more or less few days. No, it will take a few. Yes, it will take almost 24 hours. I can't remember very well, but maybe one complete day, 24 hours. Or yeah, it took a lot of time. Okay, let's run this one first. All right, to run is very easy. Before running the job, we must do a bad database backup. Okay, go to Rundeck. 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 Let me show the site of this to Rama. Okay, let me log into here. This is deb, so we is in the project deb, and deb backup, Vienna deb dump. So let me run. It's a backup. It's just in case. So let's wait. Give me 1 minute. I need to go to the bathroom. Doug, give me 1 minute.
Okay, Maro.
Okay.
Anh ăn trước đi, ba dẫn đi ăn.
Mà áo màu Sang Dương ở đâu rồi? Chị tên gì vậy? Chị tên gì?
Hello, hello.
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 Maro.
How are you? Okay. Okay. Here we have the backup. Perfect. So let's go to the script. Okay. The next command. Then this is via command line, so we don't need that because we are using the Rundeck job to do the backup.
Okay.
After download the file from software workshop, we must to split into 10,000 file. Why? Let me explain this. For example, this file is very big and have thousands of line. And for some reason, when we are doing the MySQL export, the first 1 minute the export run with a bandwidth of 2 or 3 megabytes per second, and for some reason that I can never find why, after 1 minute or 1 minute and a half it dropped to 300 kilobytes, so it's very slow. So what I did, I did a script to split the file on different file, a splitted file with only 10,000 files. So it will run on 4 minutes, 5 minutes per file. So let me show you. We will run the command iftop to see the network bandwidth used per interface. So let's run right now. Okay. We will use. We will split the smaller one. So to run this, we need to use the command screen. The command screen is a command that you can attach or detach the terminal, because if we are running the big file, it will take a lot of hours, 24 hours or maybe more. So if you lost the connection or something, you will lose that terminal session. So that is the reason that we need to run with the command screen. The command screen, it will always run that terminal, virtual terminal, and you can detach and attach in any time. So to run, we need to write a screen, the name of this new script that I did time ago, split and run refer character data, and the name of the file that we need to export. So let me copy this, and then the name of the file, the first one, broker, the small one. So a screen, space, then the script and the name of the file that we need to export. Enter.
Okay.
So right now it's asking to continue. That file will be splitted. Okay, we only have less than 500 files, so it will be only one file. Let me show you sudo what is the Vienna? No, it's inside of Vienna. Suffer what? Okay, here it is. Okay, do you see? This is the original file. This is the original file, and this is the splitted file. But this file have less than 5,000 line, so it will be only one file. Because if this file have 10,000, it will be two files of 5,000 line. Do you understand? So we have we have the same size, because it's less than 5,000. All right. So after that, click on yes to continue. Now it's waiting 10 seconds. When I sleep 10, it's just a precaution that we will run this script. Sometimes have don't die correctly, and we must wait 10 seconds. Okay, right now it will work perfectly. Try to export. Why we have this error? Do you see this one? For some reason, it was not splitted. Was not run. I don't know why, but it's not work. We need to see what happened with this file. Okay, it's not work. Only it's work or not. This of the file finished successfully. Okay, I don't know if it was exported or not. What is this? That is quite weird. What happened here? Broker summary. Okay. Let me see this. No, it's not. It's not work. I don't know why it's not work. Do you see here? Is the Java file? That is weird. Okay, let's try the another one. Split run career. No, let's try the bit one and see what happened. The another file. I can't remember the name. Give me a second. It's inside here. This one. Okay, let's run this one. Want to continue? Yes. So do you see it was split to 15.6 file? Okay. Let's continue. Yes. Okay. Run. Now it will run. Okay. I don't know what happened here with this one. I will check. Okay. It is running right now, and if you check the network bandwidth, you will see I speak here. Do you see here 4 megabytes?
Yes.
Because it's already doing the export to the database instance, the RDS instance. So the export is working. So when this finish in maybe 1 or 2 or 3 minutes, it will continue with the another file until finishing with all the file. So that's it. Is only that. Also export. Okay, and in the end, when the export finishes with all the file, it will show you the command done, the message done, and all the splitted file will be deleted. So if you check the folder, we only have the original file. And to check the log, go to the temp file system and run this command over the temporary out file. Let's see. If you want to detach that virtual terminal, because we are running the virtual terminal, you must type Control A followed by D. So if I am going here and I type Control A follow D, do you see? I detached that terminal. And if you go to the server and type screen -R, it will attach again. Do you see?
I will click Control A at the same time. I will click D also.
Sorry, what?
When I want to hold the screen, I click on Control A and D at the same time.
No. First, press and hold Control followed by A and release both key and press D only.
Okay, got it.
Control A, release, and only D, followed by D. You can try. It's not complicated. Okay.
Okay.
So it's running right now, and I will detach it. So you can try right now to attach. Control A followed by D. Okay, I am detached. Try to log into that Vienna and main log is 9, and try to attach a screen with the command screen -r. In the meantime, I will search for the log to check the log. Tell me when you are already logged into the Dead Vienna 01. Do you see my screen, Doug?
Yes.
Okay, I am doing a tail command to the last log, refresh career, this log, this is the last one. So I am doing a tail over that command, over that file. So if I click on, if I type enter, you will see the output that is running. Refresh career is successfully completed for the file 00. The first file is already exported, and now it's running the 01. It's just the log. Let me copy and paste this command so you can check. Okay, so it is already running, and it will finish in several hours.
Several hours.
Yeah, several. Okay, that's it. When it's finished, it will say done, and I will check, not now, but I will check tomorrow what happened when the first file, the small one, and we will run it tomorrow, but it will be almost the same. So when this one is finished, I will run the another one and check why we have a error. Okay, so
Okay.
right now, okay, try to do the same on a station. Let me share.
Mất đứng học bên rồi.
Let me upload this video call so you can review. But now run exactly the same, but on a station.
Okay, I will try on station today.
Oh, okay, send me a message, but it's exactly the same step that I did, but it will be on this server. Copy the IP address. It's not the station job, it's the clone. Is another server. This one, and don't log in with your user. Log in with the user and the pen file that I shared with you time ago, the station pen file. Use this one, okay? Don't log in with your user because it will not work, because you don't have user there.
Okay.
Try with root, and if it not work, try with Ubuntu. I can't remember if it's root or Ubuntu. Okay? Try to log in right now and send me a message if it don't work, and download the after that you can log in here, download the file like I showed you with the command D, and then try to run with the big file. Okay, send me a message on every command when you run, so to be sure. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I will upload right now the video recording so you can check also.
Okay.
Any questions?
So, in the file below, if we run in update the database and we check the log, if there's something error, we need to run the script again.
Yes, exactly. If something happens, just need to run again the script. Exactly.
Okay. But
You
but
can
as
run.
your document,
You can run the command
run.
all the time that you want. It will not be a problem. So if something
As
happens,
your document, you say that we must run manually.
yes. Let me. Yes. No. But yes. Let me review that one. No, but this is an old document. I put a control in the script. If the file was not exported, it will automatically run. We don't need to do manually anymore. I change the script.
Okay.
I change the script and I fix this. Sometimes when some file have an error on Java. For example, let me try to see. Okay, what is the error? For example, if we have an error in Java, because every time that it runs in a new file, it will kill Java and run again. And sometimes it's done not die correctly, or it's not started correctly. So it's failed and it will continue with the another file. So in the end, this file, for example, was not successfully exported because Java failed. But right now, I already put a script in the script to control that. So if it's failed, it will run again. So we don't need to do manually.
Okay, got it, Moro.
Yes, let me show you. Do you remember when I run for the first time the first script that we had the error? Let me try to see what is the file. No. What is it? No, here. Do you remember when we tried to run the first one that failed several times? Here is the control that I put. If Java fail, it will try again the export. Do you see? Try 0,
okay,
try 1. Yes, exactly. So when you are maybe it probably that sometimes happen or probably not, that it will try, I think, five times, and in the number 6 trying, it will skip that file. So you need to check the log and see if we have some try, because if we have some try for 5 times, you need to run manually, but that will never happen. But
okay.
All right. Okay, I will share the video recording. I will upload right now and share the video link. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now try to log into DebViena and run the command as logit 9, the command screen -r to attach that terminal, and also try to check the log with the command that I shared with you, and also try to log in to the staging server and run exactly the same that I did. So to do the export also in a staging at the same time. We need to run both at the same time. Okay.
Okay. Let me try and send you message.
Okay. Yes. Send me a message if you have some problem or issue. No problem. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks, Zach. See you. Bye bye.
I see you soon. Bye.